Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from Northern Maine. I've got one reason for you to belong to this channel. This is the second one of these fish that I've caught in the last 2 days. This is an 8-pound lake trout, 27 inches long. So subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of stuff. This is all that this channel is about. Fishing, hunting, anything to do with the great outdoors is what I cover in this channel. So I'm looking forward to meeting you. Subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, and you have a great day. Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from Northern Maine, the Rustic log cabin. Welcome to my cabin today. Well, as most of you know, I put in a snowmobile trail across the down to the lake. Went across Bob's piece of property, and I hadn't named that trail yet. I took several videos of it so you guys can go down the trail with me. I wasn't fortunate enough to get deer on the camera, but 2 or 3 of the trips, I had deer right in the trail going down, so that was quite nice. As well as coming home, there was deer on Bob's piece of land. So, but anyways, I needed to name this trail. I hadn't named it yet. And I have a viewer. His name is Keith B. If you see him in the comments. He was the only one that left I wasn't asking for a name, but he left a name and I kind of liked it. And I think you guys will too. So that's what we're going to name the new trail. And the name that he came up with was the Coffee House Trail. His opinion was that everybody on this channel is having a cup of coffee. And that trail runs up here to the cabin. So pretty good name would be the Coffee House Trail. And that kind of stuck, you know. So I thought about it. And I said, you know what? That is a good name for that trail. So big shout out to a viewer, Keith. Thank you very much. We was able to name that trail quite easily this time. The Coffee House Trail. We've got the Silverback Trail. That is a viewer named Joe. We got the Coffee House Trail named by Keith. We've got the Katy Loop Trail. And we also have Kimberly's Rock, which is an island. So we're getting the place taken care of. Then we've got Timbuktu Trail. There's all kinds of trails back here. Well, as I said, this is the last day. I'll be here a couple more hours. I gotta do the dishes. Load up the truck. Not a whole lot. Just a few odds and ends. I am going home because what's today? I think today's the 20th. It is. So I think the 20th, I'm not sure. It's either the 20th or the 21st, but I think it's the 20th. The 20th is my mother's birthday. So I'm going home today. We're going to have a small birthday party. Mostly it's light lunch, and cake, and a little bit of ice cream. And my mother does watch these videos, so happy birthday, Mother. She always tries to get me to sing. So, maybe for you guys, we can all sing along. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We'll see if that makes the video. I got a beagle down here getting pretty aggressive for her bite. So I guess I better give it to her, don't you think? Before she rips my fingers off. So if you like the trail and you like the name, give me a big thumbs up, throw me a bone, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell. I have videos like this coming out twice a week. I have a large archives of woodsman skills, all that kind of stuff. So thank you for coming along, and I will see you in the next one.